Hi friends, this video shows how to delete connected Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot or personal hotspot. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner, go to network and internet, and here you can see right now I have connected to this mobile Wi-Fi. That's the name of the Wi-Fi network. So this can be a Wi-Fi router or mobile hotspot or personal hotspot. Select this connected Wi-Fi network, mobile Wi-Fi. You can see the status connected. Below that, go down and select forget network. Select OK. So this way we can delete Wi-Fi network. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. If you want to reconnect, you can again select the mobile Wi-Fi from this list, then enter the password. Okay, so please try this.